veins, hear the tone but no one's there. Talking to myself through the wire's cold stare. Every number that I dial just echoes back pain. Addiction's the operator rerouting my brain. I'm the ghost in the court, chewing metal for a taste. Rust drips in my blood, needle scars on my face. Dial tone lullabies, send me back to the grave. I was chained to the poison, I was born as a slave. Every hit was a prayer, every prayer with the static. Every night on the floor, nodding out in the attic. Hear the click on the line, then the silence replies. If the drugs don't kill me, it'll be the lies. Deadlines, still I call. No one answers me at all. Empty tone, hollow breath, chasing needles into death. Deadlines, still I call. No one answers me at all. Empty tone, hollow breath, chasing needles into death. Withdrawal demons scratch my throat raw. Can't sleep, can't breathe, can't shake what I saw. Every feed's reflection in the mirror's a curse. Every word I spit bleeds, every verse gets worse. I'm a phantom on the call, hear the silence in return. Burn bridges in my mind, watch the memories burn. Every voice I ever loved got erased in the static. So I scream into the void, tragic, automatic.